Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing you the shading techniques. First of all, when you are drawing, so the first step is to learn about the shading techniques. When you are drawing, when you make a outline, then the basic step is to shade. Makes a realistic effect in your drawing. So there I'm using 6B pencil and a blender stamp to blend it. Use a light tone to a dark medium tone shade. Now on the other hand, on the eyes corner, inner and outer corners, upper the eyes and the eyebrows, shade it well. It's very satisfying and relaxing. I really like to shading process is very nice. Now blend it well. Blending the eyebrow lines and the lower eyes areas. Always shade from light to dark zone. Now the bridge of the nose and the outer side of the nose, inner side of the nose, dark sides, T-zone areas. Bridge of the nose should be the lighter and the other part is should be darker. Now the cheekbones. Highlight the cheekbone areas and then shade it well. Always take pencils in a very light hand. Use the pencils in a light hand, not so hard. Now I am blend it well. This stamp blender is too good for blending. You can use tissue paper or cotton bud even. Whatever you have, you can use that. Now same on the other side. I'm using the same technique. So it's very important to show a realistic sketch. Blending and shading is very important. Yeah, so from light to dark, always use the shades from light to dark, like 2B, then 4B, then 6B, 8B, and 10B. Step by step, all the procedure. Now the jewelry area, earring, so there I'm using a dark shade and stamp it well, smudge it well. Now the contour lines must be prominent. All the contour lines like eyes, nose areas, cheekbone and lower lips area, chin area, these should be highlighted. Yeah, it's very relaxing and satisfying. When you always do drawing, it feels so good and relaxing. Now I'm using white charcoal in the inner of eyes. To make this area white. Blend it well. Whenever you do drawing, these things must be in touch and be careful. Don't do mistakes. Whenever you're shading and lips, so always use the light and pencil 2B or 4B. Very light shade in lips, and always use the dark shade for eyes. Now I'm blending it well. I hope you are enjoying it. If you like it, then please comment me down. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you are new, then please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Now the contour area. Smudge it well. Same as it is, some points, upper lips. Yeah, you can use for blending tissue paper, cotton bud or makeup brushes. You can also use these things for blending and shading. Shading is very important and it creates a very effective and realistic effect in your drawing. So always make sure that you must be follow all the properly properly shading facts in your drawing. Now the forehead area, forehead shading. I hope you are enjoying it. So comment me down what you think about, should I improve it more better, or what you want to see more videos about. Now blending. It makes a realistic effect in your drawing. Now the T-zone area, chin area.